This is an instructional video to put together the Figge 3D design. So this is the bottom piece, the larger piece, and it has these areas here, the end one. So I'm going to fold, crease those end pieces so they go up all the way around. And then I'm going to flatten out the rest of those so it's flat. So I kind of just flatten with my finger. Then I'm going to take those that I creased up, and I'm going to focus and put them into the holes that are straight in front. And then I'm going to open that little area up. So I'm putting it into the hole, and then I'm going to open them up a little bit when I turn it over. So then they go like that. So then I'm going to do that all the way around. Almost done there. I'm just kind of opening them up so that they don't come out. And once that is done, then that layer is ready to go. So let's take a look at the second layer, the top layer. I've already cut it out. And with this layer, I'm going to take the middle flower looking, and I'm going to crease those little flower petals up, and I'm going to crease the arrows down. Okay, so once those are all done, then I have the 6 holes on the bottom piece, and these arrows are going to go through it. Now, only the tip of the arrow goes through. This side will go out on front. So I'll show that real quick. And I'm putting it through, and then once I get it through, I'm going to open up that arrow slightly, flip it back over, and then do the same thing all the way around. So I'm just pinching, going through just that tip of the arrow, getting it through. Once it's through, I'm opening the arrow. Continue all the way around. I'm bringing these other things up. A couple more. And then I'm going to crease these down all the way around. Okay, so there, I'm just creasing the snowflake areas all the way around down, and there you have the assembly of the Figge design complete.